Oh, you make it hard to deal when you give me all the feels. Like a Friday night, out this world like a satellite, and it feels like, oh my, nothing that I'm used to with you. You know when you got it, there's no doubt about it.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided that I wanted to do a what I eat in the day. One, I'm traveling, so I thought that with starting this up on my channel, I haven't done a what I eat in a day in so long. I figured if I started doing them, this would be a cool one to do because this could be like a what I eat in a day while I travel. Just in general too, lately I feel like my meals have really shifted and changed in 2018. I've been eating a lot more whole foods. I've been eating a lot more, even just like raw meals and things like that. I've noticed a really big change in how I feel, like my skin, how I sleep, my overall like energy throughout the day, even just like my body. I feel like my body has changed a lot this year. And so I figured why not film a what I eat in the day. Also, not to mention, I'm currently in Arizona. It's my last day here. And because there is so many things that we're gonna try and do, we being Bentley and me, ending off this whole day with a juicy Mexican meal in the desert. That said, welcome. For the first meal of the day, it's currently breakfast time. I went to Trader Joe's yesterday and bought a ton of fruit, and I've discovered that I actually like, is that cantaloupe or honeydew? Like, I used to absolutely hate watermelon, honeydew, cantaloupe, anything that was like any kind of melon. I used to hate it. And I discovered last night, because I was snacking on it last night too, that I actually like it now. Super refreshing. And of course, I can't forget also drinking a coffee. But meal number one, a big juicy bowl of fruit. I try to start my day with some cold water, a coffee, and a big bowl of fruit. I find if I eat raw at the beginning of the day, it really helps with my digestion and such. So I'm gonna eat this big bowl of fruit, and then I think I'm gonna have a fruit bar snack in a little bit when we head to the gardens. So meal number one. Close to 1 p.m. I just made myself some lettuce tacos. I had some crackers and salsa as a bit of a snack when we got back from the gardens. Cashew Cow wasn't open yet, so I'm gonna head there after this and grab some vegan ice cream. Also, my newest obsession has been kombucha. My sister has gotten me hooked. So I got this one yesterday from Trader Joe's. It's organic mango kombucha, which is fermented black tea. That is so good. So this is gonna be my drink with my lettuce tacos. In the lettuce tacos themselves, there are sweet potato ribbons, mushrooms, peppers, zucchini, jicama, cilantro, salsa, and some seasonings. Oh my god, this one's really good. Go in. So it's rolling into dinner time, and I'm about to head out to this place called Turmerico. It's like a vegetarian Mexican place where they change their menu every single day, which I thought was really cool because obviously it means that they're sourcing from like local places. Normally when I'm traveling, I like to try and find like good vegan places to check out or places that are vegan friendly. For instance, recently I was visiting my sister in Ottawa and I decided to try out this restaurant there called Grow Your Roots, and it was so good. So whenever I'm traveling, I like to try and dabble in as many, vegan restaurants as I can in new cities, just because, one, obviously because I'm vegan, but two, I feel like it's always really cool to try out. And like, not only that, but I feel like you vote with your dollar, So I like to support vegan restaurants, especially smaller ones like Grow Your Roots, this place called Turmerico, and all of that fun stuff. But if I am at home, I've been making a lot of just like summer dishes like foodibles and salads, tacos. I made tacos the other day with Larissa, and just like trying to make the healthier version of my favorite foods at home to save money for one, and two, if I'm gonna go out and eat, I like to save it for when I'm traveling or if it's like a weekend thing with friends. And I find that it just makes it super easy to kind of stay healthy for the summer. So with that, I'm gonna go try out this Mexican place. It's my last night here in Arizona, so I definitely want to get me some good Mexican food before going home. The cashew cow, we're gonna have some time to kill, Bentley and I, tomorrow before our flight, so I'm thinking I might go back and try out some more flavors like the lemon poppy seed. I got cookies and cream and coffee, and it was like out of this freaking world. Even places like that, I love to try and scope out some of my favorite foods, but like the vegan versions, especially when I'm traveling. So with that said, I'm gonna go try Turmerico, and I will return back with a full result on how good it was. Although Bentley and I are also gonna go for a hike. So I don't know when I'll return, but I'll return eventually. So to finish off this what I eat in a day, those tacos were the most, like, I'm devastated because I thought I found like the best tacos ever and they were in Toronto, but those topped them, and now I'm about to fly away from them. But in all reality, so Turmerico, if you guys are ever in the area and you decide to go, their menu changes every single day because they source stuff locally, but their food was incredible. And there was a picture of the guy from Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dines there, so obviously it's a good spot. And with that, you guys got a little peek at what I eat in a day, travel edition, along with some of the foods that I've been eating at home and when I went and visited my sister and all of that fun stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up and let me know down below if you guys want me to continue doing these back home, if I start filming these at home, especially with the fact that I've just been loving cooking lately. Whenever I show you guys meals, I could even throw in just like a what I eat in a day / my workout of the day if you guys would want something like that. I could even just do a full fitness routine, let me know. I'm thinking about getting like a Fitbit watch when I get home because I want to be able to like track my sleep, track my steps. I've been obsessed with tracking my steps lately and trying to hit 10,000 steps a day. I've been failing more recently. 10,000 steps is super easy when you're traveling, but a lot harder when you're at home. Aside from that, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite meal right now? Because I can also remake some of your guys' favorites, vegan healthy edition, if you guys want, and share with you guys more recipes and pop them up on the screen as I do it. I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you guys so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you guys back in the 6. Adios. Except my next video is going to be an Arizona vlog, so we'll see you back here, but then anyway, bye.